My name's Anne-Marie. I teach people how to cook, and I run Get Cooking from Warwick, and I've been teaching for 15 years how you can be creative with basic ingredients. It doesn't have to be complicated to taste good. My mum was always in the kitchen. It just felt normal to me to cook. And when I was at uni, I did all sorts of working in kitchens, waitressing. I learned so much tricks of the trade, how to make things stretch, taste good. You pick things up. Just watching, a lot of people miss out on that these days, seeing it happen in the home, and that's what I'm trying to bring back, is how to cook really, because once you know how to cook, you then have the confidence to play around with flavours. It's just showing that you can be creative with not very much. It's amazing how many dishes you can make. You don't necessarily need a recipe, you just need the confidence to know what to do. I often get people who have avoided cooking. It's surprising, they think cooking is going to be complicated. It's nice being able to pass that skill on and know it's going to be used. I find people come to cooking lessons go, oh my goodness, I got all these different flavours. It's like pop, pop, pop. And it just shows that when you cook something fresh from scratch, your taste buds have just become alive. When you make your own Thai paste, you taste a little bit of lemongrass, you taste the lime, you taste all the elements. And it's all about flavour. And I love sharing that knowledge with people. If you see cooking as a hobby rather than a chore, your approach is different. You'll enjoy it more. It's very kind of mindful, you have to concentrate, and it just takes you away from the stress of what you've been worrying about. If you think of it as an activity rather than a chore, it just becomes more enjoyable, and that's what I've always believed.